In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp button to Squarespace. By the end, you'll have a floating WhatsApp chat button on your site that visitors can tap to start a conversation instantly. Start by signing in to your Squarespace account and heading to your account dashboard. From there, open your site by selecting Go to Website. Once your site editor loads, look to the left-hand sidebar and open the website section, then choose Pages. We're going to create a dedicated place for the code we'll add, and we don't want that page showing in your navigation. That's why we'll work inside the not linked area. Not linked pages stay live, but hidden from your menus, making them perfect for housing embeds and utility content. Inside not linked, click the plus icon to add a new page. Choose a blank page and then select page. Give it a simple internal name you'll recognize later, like WhatsApp widget, and confirm it lives under not linked. Open the page and click edit. You'll be dropped into a blank canvas, which is fine. Click Add Section, pick a blank section, and confirm it's added. Now click Add Block within that section and look for either the code block or the embed block. If you choose embed, we'll switch it to code mode in a moment. If you choose code, you'll be ready right away. Click to edit the block so you see the area where you can paste custom code. Next, open a new browser tab and go to Elf Site, a popular widget library. Find Explore Widgets and select the WhatsApp chat widget. Click Create Widget for free to start. You can preview styles and behavior here. The default settings work great to get started, and you can always fine-tune the appearance and text later. When you're ready, click View Widget, then Install. Choose the option to install via embed, and click Copy Code. This copies a short snippet that loads your WhatsApp chat bubble on your site. Head back to your Squarespace tab. In the block you added, click to add or edit code, then paste the snippet you just copied. Double check that the code is complete and unmodified. Now click Save on the page editor so Squarespace publishes the change. After saving, click Exit to leave the page editor. To confirm it worked, open your site preview or visit any live page. Give it a moment to load, and you should see a WhatsApp chat icon appear at the lower right corner of the screen. Click the icon to test. It should open a small chat window or a direct link to WhatsApp, depending on your device. On mobile, it will usually jump straight into the WhatsApp app. On desktop, it may open WhatsApp Web. If you customized your widget text inside ElfSite, you'll see that reflected here. A few helpful notes as you review the result. Keeping the code on a not linked page keeps your navigation clean while still allowing the widget to load across the site. If you don't see the icon right away, refresh the page, clear your browser cache, or try an incognito window. Also make sure you save the page in Squarespace before exiting. You can always return to your ElfSite dashboard to adjust colors, position, greeting text, and availability hours. Those updates will carry over automatically without needing to repaste the code. That's it. You started from your Squarespace dashboard, created a hidden working page, added a code block, generated the WhatsApp chat widget in ElfSite, copied the embed code, pasted it into Squarespace, saved your changes, and verified the floating button on your site. With this in place, visitors have a fast, familiar way to reach you, which can boost responsiveness and conversions. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your new WhatsApp chat button on Squarespace.